If you've ever wanted to manage your tasks more efficiently in Monday.com, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 simple methods for creating a checklist in Monday.com, so you can streamline your workflow and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Whether you're tracking daily tasks, project milestones, or even a grocery list, mastering checklists will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the built-in checklist feature you can use on any specific item in your Monday.com board. Start by clicking on an item you want to work with. Maybe it's a task, a deliverable, or just something you want to follow up on. When you click it, you'll notice the Details pane pops open to the right. Take a moment to explore this pane because it's where you'll find a lot of the magic in Monday.com. Keep your eyes on the top part of this pane and look for a small checklist icon. It looks like a little square with a check mark inside. If you don't see it immediately, pause and scan left to right. Sometimes icons can blend with the interface if you're newer to the platform. That's the button we're after, so go ahead and click on it. Now the fun begins. A checklist box will appear, ready for you to start adding items. This is where you organize your tasks, step by step. For example, if your main item is Design Website Banner, your checklist might include Choose Colors, Find Stock Images, Write Headline, and Send for approval. Simply type each to-do and press Enter. You can be as detailed as you like. When you're done listing your tasks, don't forget to click Update to save all your hard work. Think of this like jotting down notes in a notebook. You need to close the cover for your notes to stick. Now, as you make progress, simply check off each subtask as it's completed. Monday.com updates the progress visually, giving you an instant sense of accomplishment. If you're someone who loves ticking boxes or watching progress bars move, this will be incredibly satisfying. And if you miss a step or check the wrong box, just uncheck or edit. It's very forgiving. Next, let's explore a more board-wide method. Adding a checkbox column. This is really handy if you want to view the status of all items at a glance, like a big team task list. Start by looking for the plus sign at the top of your board, usually next to your existing columns. This icon is your tool for customizing how you track information. Click the plus and you'll see a menu of column types. Choose checkbox from the options. Don't worry if you're not sure. The icons and labels make it pretty clear, and you can always change your selection if you pick the wrong one. Once you've selected checkbox, you can give your new column a name, something like Done, Completed, or QA Checked Works Well, depending on what you're tracking. Naming columns is more important than it sounds. It keeps things clear if you're working with a team or checking back on projects weeks later. Now, you'll see a checkbox next to every item in your board. When a task is finished or a milestone is hit, just click the box next to that item. There's no need to dig into item details or open separate menus. It's almost like having a paper checklist sitting on your desk. Straightforward, visual, and instantly clear. And that's it. You now have 2 powerful ways to create and manage checklists in Monday.com. Whether you love breaking tasks down to tiny details or want a simple mark as done system, you've got options to suit your style. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful walkthroughs just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Monday.com.